Nsawam, a place where we have the biggest sawmill. The place is called Mustafa Woodworks. So Mustafa Woodworks and Construction Engineering Site. They have all building materials here. Plywood, normal wood, TNG, nails, louvers, plumbing works, everything that you need for your building. You get everything over here without going to any other place. So anytime you visit Nsawam or you get a site at Nsawam that you want to build, you can get your wood and everything over here. So this place is at Nsawam. It's the biggest sawmill here. They have all building materials that one will need for to complete one's job. So when you come here, the place is Mustafa Woodworks. Mustafa Woodworks and Construction Enterprise.